Hey foodies, today we are going to present a popular dish from Kerala, that is avial. Mythology says that it was first made by great Pandav Bhim during their time of exile. During this time, Bhim was in disguise of a cook Ballav in the kitchen of King Virat. The tale is that Bhim didn't know cooking, so he chopped up all the available vegetables and prepared this simple and delicious dish. So let's start.
This dish requires a variety of vegetables. We are collecting some available carrots and brinjals from our kitchen garden. Other vegetables that we are using for this dish are pumpkin, raw banana, beans, gourd or lauki, yam, drumsticks, and snake gourd. In the meanwhile, crack open a coconut for its pulp. We have rinsed and washed the vegetables properly. We will now peel off and cut the vegetables. We are cutting all the vegetables into long stick-like shape, almost similar to potato french fries. In this recipe, we are using yam, as this is from very early times when potato had not arrived in India. However, you can obviously use potatoes if yam is not available. Once peeling and cutting of the vegetables are done, we will move on to prepare our coconut paste. Coconut paste is one of the main ingredients of this preparation. We have taken 1/2 of coconut pulp, 3 to 4 chilies, and 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera. Heat up the karai and add 1 glass of water. Now adding vegetables which will take a bit longer time to cook, like yam, raw banana and carrots. After stirring the vegetables, we are adding 1 teaspoon of salt, or as per your taste. Once it starts to boil, you can cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Now adding the other cut veggies. Once done, stir the veggies properly and add half more glass of water to it. Now don't add more water, as this won't be a runny gravy. Adding half teaspoon of turmeric and salt as per your taste. Mix and stir well. Adding 2 slit chilies. Now you can cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes in low flame. Adding the coconut paste. Mix it well. Now we are adding 200 grams of beaten curd. Once done, we are mixing and stirring all of the ingredients very well. And now you can also notice that the vegetables have started to become a bit soft. Now finally we are adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to it. Stir and mix it well, and our dish is done now. You can garnish the avial with curry leaves, and you can serve it hot with steamed rice. Please do like, share and comment on our videos how you liked it, and subscribe to our channel Taste Bubble and press the bell icon for our latest updates.